In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate data by using the find command in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to go over to our 08 SPA services Excel spreadsheet. And I don't have all the data in here. Like I said in my last video, I have not put in all the data. So what I try to find may be different than the directions that you might be using if you're in my class. But I'm going to show you how to use the find command. You can apply it to the directions in your text. So we're going to go to, I'm on my Monday spreadsheet tab. I'm going to go to the Find and Select button on my Home tab. I'm going to click Find. What are we looking for? Well, let's look for, first of all, you will see this options button. I want you to click that, and I want you to expand this box. So what are we going to look for? So put your cursor in the Find What box, and let's type Elena, E-L-E-N-A. We can also look for formatting, okay? But we're not going to do that. We're not going to go that far. But you could look for Elena in bold. You could look for Elena in red type. You could look for Elena that's been underlined, whatever. But for now, let's just stay with the basics. So find what? Elena. So we're going to hit Find Next. If you notice, we're still on our Monday, so it found this one. If we hit Find Next, it actually jumps to the Tuesday tab. Since all of our tabs basically look the same, it's going to jump to the Tuesday tab. If we find Next, it goes to the Wednesday tab and finds Elena. We can also use our match case and our match entire cell contents. So if you match entire cell contents, it's going to look for exactly what's in the cell if it's selected. Match case, on the other hand, will look for the capital E. So I'm going to uncheck that too. I'm just going to explain that to you because I know that's in your instructions. We also need to look at this within box. So are we looking within just one spreadsheet, in our active spreadsheet? Are we looking in our workbook? Okay, and we're selecting workbook. That's the one we're going to. And you can select more items here, but for now we're going to keep it simple. We're going to stay within our workbook. We're going to look for Elena. We're going to click Find Next. Okay, and it should, on mine, it's going to go through all these different spreadsheets since I have her name in each one of these. The next thing I'm going to do is click Find All. And the Find All button will list. If I pull it down a little bit, I can see it a little bit better. So you can actually pull down the bottom of this box so you can collapse it a little bit or expand it. So it's going to give us a list of all of the instances of what we've put in our search box. So it tells us what book it's in, what sheet it's on. So we have one on Monday, we have one on Tuesday, and we have one on Wednesday. What cell it's in. So B9, B9, and B9 on each one. And the value, what it says in the box. And that's basically, in simple terms, how to use the Find and Replace, the go-to command in Microsoft Excel 2016.